Hello girls, welcome back. I never expected these 4 simple ingredients to get so much attention. Some people even claim this Japanese inspired recipe helps support healthy vision and better sleep. So for this recipe, first I'm adding 4 tablespoons of fennel seeds into a saucepan. Fennel seeds contain antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds that support overall well-being. Now, I lightly roast them on low heat for a few minutes. This helps enhance their natural aroma and flavor. Well, which country are you watching from today? Tell me in the comments. Keep stirring gently so they roast evenly without burning. If you're enjoying simple wellness recipes like this one, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more recipes like that. Once the fennel seeds are lightly roasted, turn off the stove and transfer them into a clean glass bowl. Allow them to cool slightly before adding the next ingredient. Now we're taking some beautiful walnuts. Oh, come on, remove their shells. Yeah, walnuts are well known for being rich in healthy fats and nutrients that support overall health and wellness. Next, I'm adding 1 full tablespoon of almonds. Almonds are a wonderful source of nutrients. Now it's time for the key ingredient in this recipe. White pepper. I'm adding 10 to 12 white peppercorns into the same bowl. White pepper has been traditionally used in various wellness remedies and it's valued for its natural properties. Now, all of our ingredients are together. I'm transferring them into a grinder, then grinding everything into a fine powder so all the ingredients blend together evenly. Honestly, I love reading your comments and I always enjoy hearing from you guys. Do you enjoy healthy homemade recipes like this one? Let me know in the comments. While I'm grinding this, let me tell you a healthy fact. If you prefer, the white peppercorns can also be consumed directly in small amounts as part of your diet. Once the powder is ready, I'm transferring it into a clean glass bowl. The texture should be nice and fine, making it easy to store and use whenever needed. And honestly, this combination is packed with natural goodness. Now, I'm taking a glass of milk and adding 1 spoon of the prepared powder. Slowly sprinkle the powder into the milk. Then mix it well so that the ingredients combine evenly. Keep stirring for a few minutes until the powder is properly blended. This is one of the simplest ways to include this preparation in your daily routine. You can enjoy it before bedtime if that works best for you. However, if you don't prefer milk, there is another easy option. Take a bowl of yogurt and give it a quick whisk so the texture becomes smooth and creamy. Yogurt is rich in protein, calcium, and beneficial bacteria that support overall well-being. Now add 1 spoon of the prepared powder in the yogurt. Mix everything slowly until the powder is evenly incorporated. The texture should be smooth and well combined. This makes a convenient alternative for those who prefer yogurt over milk. You can enjoy it before lunch as part of a balanced diet. Choose whichever method you find more comfortable and enjoyable. Will you try this recipe with milk or yogurt? Let me know in the comment below. Now I'm transferring this prepared powder into a clean airtight container for easy storage. As you can see, the powder has a fine texture and combines several nutritious ingredients in one simple preparation. Fennel seeds are valued for their antioxidant content, while walnut and almond provide healthy fats and important nutrients. White peppercorns has also been traditionally used in many wellness recipes for generations. This homemade powder is simple to prepare, easy to use, and convenient to include in your daily routine. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple wellness recipes. Thank you for watching.